Good morning, good morning. So, happy Wednesday. Let's start off with pretty much the pre-market prep. How's the mindset? How are we feeling today? Uh, Once again, honestly, being honest with myself, I've been having a pretty tough time this week. Since the weekend I got a little bit out of control in the sense that I was not following my rules in the sense I was overeating, um, and it has been transferring, sleeping over my. I tend to even I like to wake up even on the weekend early, but been having a hard time. Been having a really hard time. So today, same thing. I let my excuses beat me. Turned off my alarm at 4 a.m. and woke up naturally at 6:50. So been having issue keeping my promises to myself. Today, I told myself yesterday I was gonna wake up and I was gonna go to the gym, to just train. My low back is much better. Still, it's bothering me a little bit, but it's way better. I need to go. And this morning, when it came time to get up, I let my excuses beat me. Slept around 9 hours. To say the least, I was a very nice night's sleep. I did wake up around 3 times nighttime. I've been drinking a lot of waters because again, I'm trying to get back into the healthier version of myself that I love. So drank a lot of water yesterday. So woke up a couple times, additional times to use the bathroom. But let's jump into the overall market. So looking at SPY, we had CPI at 8:30, and the market took the news very negative. So we're currently gapping lower. We're actually breaking this pivot area. So it's honestly looking pretty good for some nice continuation. We did have an insane move in pre-market session, so want to come with this cautious mind, like, okay, yes, we are gapping lower. It looks good for next continuation, but we could just chop around. But it is looking pretty good for next continuation lower if the market perceives that the news as a very negative. So let's see what happens. But same thing with QQ, showing some really nice weakness. Main watch, so it's AMD. I just like how this bear flag, how it's looking. So we're holding really nice. We do have this area. So we have a zone. It's like from 166 to 162 that there's a whole bunch of lows. So as you can see here on the daily, a whole bunch of lows in this area. So we did create a really nice bear flag. So if we could break through those level lows, I feel like we could see a nice flush on AMD. Especially if the market's helping out. So it's just looking really good. Really nice daily bear flag, and as well on the 1 hour, looking like a really nice bear flag as well. Jumping into BA. BA, it's just because it has been showing some relative weakness, currently holding right below yesterday low day. We do have a major level at this weekly key level, as you can see here. So, and we had an insane bounce from this weekly key level. So, we bounced pretty much once. This is a second test. Can we break? I don't know. But in pre-market session, we haven't broken, so I want to be very cautious. But if we could break that level, I feel like we could see some nice selling pressure. So that's going to be kind of like when we watch a break and hold below this level, which is 176.25 for a move lower. And again, Boeing has been showing relative weakness compared to everything else. I got NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I do like it, but I just don't like this daily key, how this daily close. So for me to like it even more, I want to see us break and hold below this pretty much just a lower day for a gap fill. Very simple. We do have this gap area, so just looking for a gap fill on NVIDIA, and we do have this kind of like bear flag, and that drop that we had yesterday was really on really nice high volume, so we could potentially see some nice continuation. But I do want to be patient and wait for a break and hold below this yesterday lower day. And looking at Apple, Apple has just been a stock that I've been paying attention closely for the past couple of days because it's setting up really nice in the higher time frame. It just hasn't been working. I tried it out a couple of days ago. Actually, it was on Monday. Setup was looking really solid, but I just got stopped out. But still intact. The only thing I don't like is that yesterday we showed relative strength compared to the overall market, but today we're currently holding right above yesterday low day. So very simple, below yesterday low day, and pretty much it's kind of like the zone from this monthly key level to pretty much weekly key level. If we could break below that zone, it looks clean. I mean, it looks clean. We have a weekly bear flag, daily bear flag. It looks pretty clean for this weekly and potentially monthly key level. So very simple. Let's jump into the smaller time frame. So starting off with Apple. So Apple, as I said, we did have CBI, so it's just, I mean, in the bigger picture, it looks pretty weak. It hasn't been working out. I've been like trying to. I tried this again. I tried this same setup on Monday. Didn't work out. Setup and everything. So I want to be a little bit cautious. So I want to make sure that I'm patient and wait for a break. That zone, as I mentioned. So this zone right here of all those levels, I want to wait for a break and hold below for a move lower. Looking at Nvidia. So Nvidia is very similar as well. The only thing, again, I want to be patient, wait for a break of yesterday's low day and psychological level 830 for a potential gap fill. Very simple, and then potentially 820. But as I mentioned here, I need to be patient, wait for yesterday's low day break, and hold for confirmation. BA, as I said, this is a major level, and we actually tested to the dot this level on pre-market. So I want to make sure that I'm patient and wait for a break and hold below that level. Very simple for a move to pretty much psychological levels below. So I don't have like the door is open. So I'm just looking to let price action tell me the story. So we can even see a push down to even 170. That's gonna be like the ultimate TP for me. And then AMD is gonna be pretty much our main watch just because how nice it's looking. And we're currently holding below those levels. Yes, we do have a whole bunch of lows, as I said, but I feel like it's setting up really nice. I mean, that's what we need. We need a period of consolidation on the daily. We got 3 days of consolidation for a potential break of those lows. So it's looking really good to work out. And I feel like the door is open for a move to monthly key level and even this other monthly key level down here. So honestly, I'm pretty intrigued, and I feel like if we could break this monthly key level, the door is really open for a move lower. But that being said, that's pretty much the game plan for April 10th.